boss, how much to tint a full car with high heat rejection tint?
If you are order from TUHU Car Care, the ThinkAuto T39 full car tint package is only 399 ringgit.
I don't want those cheap basic tinted. I want something that really block the heat and give the proper privacy. Is there any catch with this deal or what?
No hidden tricks there. This is ThinkAuto T39 premium film. Full car set, all 9 pieces included and fully installed for you. Front wheel shell, 4 side windows, 2 triangle windows plus rear windshield. Everything is complete, nothing missing and no hidden charges. The T39 is also compliant with Malaysia JPJ regulation, so you can drive on the road without worrying about being stopped, and is also fine for inspection. It uses nano ceramic material. From inside, visibility is still clear, it doesn't feel dark or foggy, and it won't affect your driving view. But from outside, it's much harder to see in, so you can still get a good privacy. Especially from the rear seat and rear windshield, it really reduces visibility from the outside, so you can get a much more private and comfortable space inside the car. And it's not just about being dark, it actually has a real heat rejection performance. It helps block UV and reduce sun exposure inside the car. Most importantly, it won't affect your signal at all. If you order now, we also include free old tint removal and professional installation. Everything is fully inclusive, no hidden charge, and within 5 years, if there are any quality issues, we'll replace it for you free of charge. If you are looking for a high heat rejection, good privacy, and JPJ-compliant full car tint, just download the ThinkAuto Car Care and reserve your slot now. Limited promo slot available.
Sounds good. I'll place my order now.